Good morning, good morning. All right, you find us at the depot early in the morning, just after 9 o'clock. Sean has just put this Porsche on the trailer because we're taking that baby somewhere. So where exactly, what's going on today then, Sean?
This one's going to go for a camera change.
All right. Okay, so this one's going off to the garage then somewhere. Whereabouts is it going there?
The guy specialises with these cars in Gothenburg.
All right, so like I said, we're setting off from Borås as usual, heading to Gothenburg with this one. But then after that, we're going to go and do something else, aren't we?
Yep, going to pick up a Saab.
All right, pick up an old Saab. So, there you have it. The life and times of an auctioneer. Early in the morning, mate. All right. So, right, let's get this baby to Gothenburg then, and yeah, we'll take it from there.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
We get the Porsche off the trailer and into the garage.
Jag har bil där också.
Ja, alltså den svarta färgen var ju sällan. Det fanns inte så många svarta som. Nej, den är rätt ovanligt här.
Ja, den är riktigt cool.
Detta, vi behöver inte tänka på att låsa, för det är bara jag har gjort så. För nyckel är väck.
Lilla pöle.
Svartingen. Ja, men du, jag har ägt den i så många år.
Hur många år har du ägt den då?
Jag har ägt den sen 90.
Oj.
Ja.
Det är en bit.
Det är några år.
Ja. Nej, men den behöver ett annat hem.
Ja.
Sen börjar jag bli gammal och man har skruvat med bilar sedan 60-talet. Vad säger man på engelska?
Att pilla med bilen menar du?
Nej, men jag säger det är nog nu.
Okej, it's enough.
Time is enough.
Yeah.
Ja.
Times is up.
jag har lärt mig lite grann engelska mer och mer om jag ser på
TV-series.
utan texter.
Ja. Det var bra.
Ja, men du, jättebra att ni tar hand om den.
Ja.
Ja, för det är 9 plock.
Alright, Sean, we just picked up that Saab on the back there, yeah? So tell me a little bit more about that car then.
Okay, it's a 1959 Saab, I think 92 Deluxe or 94. Can't really remember. We've just seen it now. But the old chap's had it for many years, and he's a super Saab enthusiast. As you can see, all the Saabs were passing there. Everyone in this area's got a Saab in their back garden.
Saabs on top of Saabs.
We're only about 20 kilometres from the old Saab factory in Trollhättan.
Yeah.
So this old chap, he's been working with Saab. I think he was a detailer in the factory for 20 or 30 years.
Nice.
And he's owned this car since 1990, so it's got a good history, and I mean, anything that's needed fixing, I mean,
he's taking care of it.
He's got, he's got the knowledge. He can fix it with his fingers.
Well, we were talking to him out there, and he was talking about the condition of the paintwork as well. You can tell he was a detailer.
Yeah.
There's a lot of paint on that car, isn't there?
Yeah, and it was repainted at the factory as well, so it's not everyone can take the car to the factory and get it repainted. So I think he said 7 litres of paint they used on the car.
Yeah.
It's a lot of paint for a small car.
I mean, you can see it's professionally done. As you said, it's been done at Saab's factory. But you can see there's so much paint on that car.
Yeah. But I mean, that's good. It's good for the next buyer.
Yeah.
So now it's always a sad part with owning cars, because owning something like this for 30 years, it's like part of the family. So selling it, it's, you know.
Yeah.
Like he said, now my garage is empty. We just sold one of his other Saabs, Saab V4 70s. So he said to me, just as we're loading this, he said, if you see a Saab 92 for sale, let me know, because I need something in my garage. So he needs something to look at.
So he hasn't finished with Saab then, no?
No. But I mean, it's like anything. You know, 30 years is a long time to own a car.
Yeah.
And it gets to that stage in your life or time where you haven't got, you know, time to drive it or to enjoy it, and then it's like, you know, it feels sad to go in the garage and see it just sitting there all the time.
Yeah.
An old car sitting still for a long time, it's not the best.
You're right.
So
it's time to let it go to somebody else that's got a bit more time.
Yeah, somebody else is a bit, you know, got more time to fix it, and you know, is looking for something like this. I mean, I love these old 2-stroke engines. They're fantastic. But you always get people like thumbs up.
Yeah.
I don't know if you saw the guy pass with a van.
Yeah.
He was like, oh. So here he's like, you know, around this area, it's like Saab heaven.
Yeah. Do you know what? I've been living in Sweden for a while. I've never seen so many Saabs in one area in my life before.
Oh, here it's just like, you have to have a Saab pulling a Saab. That's the way the Saab life should be.
Saab life. All right, we'll leave it there.
Yeah.
So here we have it, back at the depot, the 1959 Saab. Alright, see, so this car's going to go up for auction at some point, and this is a real collector's item. So I hope you really enjoyed this show. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did, and we'll see you all again next week for some more Cars of Sweden live.